And they're like,
Oh boy.
Well, here we are at Sand Beach.
okay, let's go hiking. Let's go. Awesome. Okay.
The hiking begins.
We should check back before we leave.
Well, you can.
I mean, we're walking.
You can go all the way back to
Our
Bar-
cars are going to stay
all the
here.
way back to Bar Harbor. Now,
Yeah.
right?
Really?
Or you can go all the way to Thunder
Bay?
a hole.
Maybe your phone, Carla?
Yep.
You didn't know it was like there were so many different hiking trails in that. You didn't know.
Beehive Trail.
The difficult trail isn't even on there. Unless it's going that way.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Okay.
Oopsies.
No, I already decided.
I did?
Yeah. I thought you did.
So.
Well, you know, if it's just too much, you can always come back down here and catch up to it.
Oh, there it is.
Climbing. I don't know if you
Look at this.
Hey, Ken.
It said something about that.
It might be hard to do.
Well, when you're up there, you
Oh my gosh! Look at that, Walt. Walt, come here.
I'm looking at
Oh, Lord.
What? An easier way to get down.
Oh no! I know I couldn't. I would pass out. I would too.
Rick,
What?
you want to back Rick?
But that is for adventuresome people. Yep. So if you're.
You guys going up there?
Yes. Of course.
Oh my gosh! Do you want to?
Your young puppies.
Are we really going up there?
Yeah, you can walk with us if you want.
He's the old guy in the group.
What do you say?
Are we really
Are
going
we
up
really
there?
going up there?
That's incredible, you guys.
It's worse. It's not as bad when you get there.
My camera, Maddie.
This is just beautiful up here. The colors. They're incredible.
Yeah, baby.
There's the beach.
Oh, look down this way. Ooh. Kind of looking down a little valley.
Uh-huh.
Nice. Warm up here too. Oh.
Wait till you see this next part. I don't even know where the trail is.
Well, there's the blue.
Go blue.
Go blue. Oh, I can't believe I just said that. So now what?
I don't know. Oh, I see.
Oh, there's a metal.
We gotta go up here. And then here's one of those metal things. Just be careful. Take your time.
Where's the
Whoa!
And it gets worse than this?
Oh, good Lord.
I know, it's freaky.
Oh, good Lord.
Here, let me do this for you. Come on. You can cross on your butt if you have to.
Janet, you're fine.
Yeah, just-
I know.
It's got a lot of, you're fine. There you go.
There we go.
Piece of
Okay.
cake.
I know that's not even the worst. Okay.
All right, here we go.
You're okay.
Matt, you good?
I'm good as far as I know.
You good? Okay.
Beautiful, huh?
This is quite a cliff right here.
Shut up. Can you keep your mouth shut?
Yeah.
I'm just,
Whoa, man.
I'm
Didn't
just
need to know
saying.
that.
Says proceed with caution.
Wow.
That's beautiful.
TMI.
So we had high tide, do you think?
We must be.
What?
Not this in the rain.
Oh no.
Seriously, yeah. But we're getting there. How we doing?
Okay.
Good.
Look
at this whale right here.
Well,
Whale rock. Now what? Yeah. Just human, okay? There's an elevator right off the way. If you guys want to get through here, by all means.
yeah, if you guys want to go through.
Yeah. Or
This-
go up to that maybe.
It's crazy.
There's no fudging up there.
It's quite a cliff here.
Thanks for the warning.
TMI.
No, that's really quite a cliff right here.
Shut up.
This is where we're going. Up those rails.
All right,
That'd be simple.
piece of cake.
Be easy. Here we go.
Easy.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Winner, winner, lobster dinner.
What'd you grab onto?
There's a rail on the left.
There's a rail on your left.
Oops, sorry.
I'm good.
Yeah, you don't want to be too close.
No. I just want to get in this one spot here. You're not coming down, are you? Yeah. Really?
Just for the fun of it?
No, I started over there.
Oh,
But you're pretty close to them.
are we?
Yeah.
What's that?
Good.
10
We're
minutes.
close to the end. 10 minutes.
10 minutes. I'm trying with 2 minutes.
They are good.
You know, if I'd done this once before, I think I'd be a little more. It's the unknown shit that blows my mind, too.
Yeah.
Sorry? No.
So where do we go? Because even that made me nervous there.
Oh, yeah.
The angle. What do we got left here yet?
10 minutes. We're near the top.
You got her on? He's got it on. What do you guys think so far, huh? Awesome. This is a piece of cake. Ah! Not really. We're there though. We're doing good. Almost here.
All right.
What are you guys doing?
You going down?
Yeah.
Going around the blind corner.
There was a cliff.
A blind corner?
A grate over it.
Kind of go around.
And you had to walk on the grate.
Oh.
That's right. Go, go.
All I can
How's
say
the
is, thank God for those metal.
Yes.
Yeah.
Otherwise, there's no
They were
way.
right in the right place.
No way.
Wow. Well, we had different opinions of different people coming down. You know, some people, it's amazing. Another person, we didn't realize that that's what this was.
Oh,
You know,
really?
we would never risk our lives to do that again. It's like, oh my gosh. Yeah, yeah. I mean, there were all different opinions. Everyone was,
Oh, yeah.
Then you had
Carlos.
these young kids that were